Welcome to Kuki Decor. In today's video, we're stepping beyond the decor and diving into the art of functional and decorative wooden crafts. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, these creative projects will add both beauty and practicality to your home and garden. From rustic wooden planters that complement your greenery to stylish shelves, organizers, and eye-catching wall art, we've got a range of ideas to inspire you. Wood is not only a versatile and timeless material but also a sustainable choice, perfect for those of us who value natural elements in our spaces. In this video, we'll walk you through simple, beginner-friendly designs as well as more intricate pieces for those looking to challenge their skills. These wooden crafts are not just decorative, they serve a purpose, helping you organize, beautify, and personalize your environment. So, grab your tools, choose your wood, and let's create unique pieces that blend functionality with style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative ideas and decorative tips. Let's get crafting and bring a touch of natural charm into your home. Woodcraft, as an art form, possesses an undeniable charm, blending nature's raw beauty with human creativity. The versatility of wood opens boundless avenues for artistic expression, where each piece, regardless of size or shape, harbors the potential to become a unique work of art. The allure of woodcraft lies not merely in the final product but in the journey of transformation, from a simple log or plank into a masterpiece infused with imagination and craftsmanship. Functional woodcraft projects push the boundaries of creativity by merging practicality with artistry. These projects emphasize not only the visual appeal of wood but also its ability to serve a purpose, enhancing everyday life through clever design and craftsmanship. Each piece becomes more than just an object, it becomes a functional work of art that seamlessly integrates utility and aesthetics. One of the most captivating functional woodcraft projects is the creation of custom furniture. Crafting a table, for example, goes beyond merely assembling legs and a surface. A creative woodworker might design a live-edge dining table, preserving the organic form of the wood's edge while combining it with modern materials such as glass or resin. The resin might flow like a river through the center of the table, adding both structural integrity and a striking visual element. Coffee tables with hidden storage compartments, modular desks with adjustable heights, or sculptural bookshelves that mimic the twisting branches of a tree transform furniture into functional art. These pieces not only fulfill their practical roles but also serve as conversation starters, blurring the lines between utility and artistic expression. Another exciting avenue for functional woodcraft is the design of kitchen accessories. Wooden cutting boards, for instance, become more than simple slabs of wood when they are crafted with unique shapes, personalized engravings, or inlaid with contrasting wood species. Some artisans design cutting boards with built-in slots for knives, juice grooves to catch liquid runoff, or collapsible legs for multifunctional use. Wooden utensils, from spoons to spatulas, can also be elevated with ergonomic handles, decorative carvings, or smooth finishes that highlight the natural grain of the wood. Spice racks, bread boxes, and rolling pins, each crafted with intention and beauty, add warmth and personality to the kitchen space. Functional woodcraft extends to home organization as well. Wooden storage solutions, like floating shelves, multi-tiered organizers, and modular storage cubes, help declutter spaces while adding a touch of rustic charm. A functional woodcraft project might involve designing a wall-mounted coat rack with embedded key holders and mail slots, seamlessly blending multiple uses into one sleek design. Jewelry boxes with secret compartments, watch stands carved with precision, and decorative yet functional trays for organizing everyday items all emphasize the intersection of form and function. These pieces reflect the artisan's ability to transform wood into solutions for daily living, combining practicality with artistic vision. Lighting fixtures offer another innovative realm for functional woodcraft. Wooden lamps, pendant lights, and sconces provide both illumination and ambience, marrying craftsmanship with modern design. A woodworker might carve a lamp base from a single log, allowing the grain patterns to dictate the final shape, or construct a geometric wooden lampshade that casts intricate shadows across the room. Some designs incorporate LED strips hidden within carved wooden frames, producing a soft, diffused glow. By combining the warmth of wood with the functional necessity of light, these projects create harmonious pieces that enhance both the mood and aesthetic of a space. Seating solutions in woodcraft also push creative boundaries. Benches with built-in storage, stools with interlocking joints, and chairs that balance ergonomic design with sculptural flair redefine how furniture serves a space. A wooden bench, for example, might feature an asymmetrical design inspired by natural forms, with a hollowed-out underside for hidden storage. Rocking chairs carved with flowing, organic lines or minimalist stools made from single wood slabs celebrate both simplicity and sophistication. These functional woodcraft projects invite users to experience comfort while appreciating the artistry embedded in every curve and joint. Garden and outdoor spaces also benefit from functional woodcraft innovations. Raised garden beds crafted from reclaimed wood, weather-resistant wooden planters, and trellises designed with intricate lattice patterns enhance both the beauty and functionality of a garden. A wooden potting bench might incorporate built-in compartments for tools, removable shelves for added flexibility, and foldable extensions for compact storage. Birdhouses, designed not only for shelter but as decorative elements, can feature multi-level designs, hand-carved details, or creative shapes inspired by nature. These projects bridge the gap between utility and aesthetic, fostering a deeper connection to both craftsmanship and the natural world. Personalized wooden decor further showcases the versatility of functional woodcraft. Customized name plaques for homes, intricately carved address signs, and wooden wall clocks blend personal expression with practical use. A functional woodcraft project might involve designing a calendar board with sliding wooden tiles for dates, or a magnetic wooden key holder embedded with hidden magnets for a seamless look. Even wooden picture frames can be elevated through layered wood designs, hand-burned patterns, or built-in storage for extra photographs. These thoughtful details transform simple home decor into meaningful, functional pieces. Sustainability also plays a crucial role in modern functional woodcraft. Many artisans embrace reclaimed wood, salvaging materials from old barns, fallen trees, or discarded furniture to create new, functional pieces. A reclaimed wood coffee table, for example, might preserve the weathered texture and nail holes of its past life, adding both character and history to its design. Floating shelves crafted from salvaged beams or planters made from repurposed wooden pallets not only reduce waste but also tell a story of renewal and creativity. These sustainable projects highlight the importance of resourcefulness while producing functional art with soul and substance. Collaborative functional woodcraft projects foster a sense of community and shared innovation. Group projects, such as building communal garden benches for public spaces or crafting large-scale wooden murals, unite artists with diverse skills and perspectives. These collaborations often result in multifunctional designs, like a wooden art installation that doubles as seating or an interactive wooden sculpture that invites public participation. The synergy of collective creativity not only elevates the final product but also strengthens the bonds between artisans and the communities they serve. Ultimately, functional woodcraft projects transcend mere practicality, embodying the harmonious marriage of utility and artistry. Each creation, from from a handcrafted wooden lamp to a sculptural bookshelf, reflects the artist's vision, skill, and reverence for their material. The grain of the wood whispers its own history, while the thoughtful design breathes new life into its form. By blending function with creativity, woodcraft projects offer not only solutions for daily living but also enduring pieces of art that enrich our homes, gardens, and public spaces. These works stand as testaments to human ingenuity and the timeless allure of handcrafted design. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey into functional wooden crafts. I hope these ideas have inspired you to create beautiful, practical pieces for your home and garden. Remember, crafting with wood not only adds a natural, timeless charm to your space but also allows you to design something truly unique and personal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your projects. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!